guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girly, we're in the car again for another daily day in the life vlog. First, we're gonna start off with some coffee. We are going back to a place that we went to literally yesterday. It's called Grouchy John's. The prices are pretty good. I'm trying to stay away from the big brands. Let's try some little smaller shops. We went to 7 Brew when we were in Florida and we loved it. Like, you actually felt awake after drinking that coffee, and we felt the same about this place. So I'm gonna go back there. I might try a different drink though. I'll show you guys when we actually do get there though, and then we're gonna run a couple errands together, hang out together, a little chit chat at the end. So thanks for joining me for another video, and let's get into it. Here we are. Let's get some coffee. They have a lot of really good options. Y'all, we're going. Hold on, I want to try my drink. We just made it to Miniso. We're here. And they're antsy because they saw Toy Story on the window. But I got the Serenity. It's actually pretty good. When I saw that there's like white chocolate and peppermint, it gave me Christmas vibes. Okay, let's just go in the store. Oh, that's adorable. It's fluffy. Oh, look. Little pizza balls. Which one do you want to get? That one's a little like photo, I think. That one's a stuffy. You want a stuffy? This is so cute. Okay, but the nail selection here, it's actually really cute.
It looks like similar.
Yeah, those are cute. Okay, we are back in the car. The hair is up. It's hot. Lucas started freaking out because he wants to open up his car. $70 later. This is what Luca got from Miniso. He got some Formula 1 Hot Wheels. If you want to see all the goodies that I got, I'm going to be opening them. It should be here on my YouTube Shorts and my like TikTok, my Instagram. I'm going to repost it everywhere. But if you guys want to see the goodies, once that's posted, I'll link it. So Anthony found on TikTok yesterday or a couple days ago that you can get 12 oysters for $12 on Fridays if you're a Prime member. And guess what I have? Prime. I was literally complaining about it the other day because I got hit with that $14.99 charge, and I was like, ah! Like, I don't even use it. Me making an Amazon purchase once a week at least, like I do. Oysters for $12. I mean, we're probably gonna get 2 dozen. This place has to be money laundering. Like, everyone that lives in Henderson, who the hell is shopping at Holy Sheets? Who is shopping there? We saw somebody walking out there yesterday, and Anthony was like, what the hell did he buy in there? Like, he had a little bag too. It's a light and bedding scuff. We're going to Whole Foods. We're gonna go to the Green Valley one. There's only 2, and we're like smack in the middle of both of them. All right, we've made it to the district at Green Valley Ranch. Everybody's been talking about this like canned fish trend, and the fish wipe is like really good. Does it only come with one?
I think it was this one though. Oh, that's mussels.
Yeah, I've seen some people eat the mussels. I've seen people eat the sardines. I've seen people eat the anchovy. I just don't know which one. I don't know. I mean, I like sardines. All right, here are the oysters. I was having such a good conversation with the bud tender that was helping me, and then I fucking turned around and I ran into a pole. Aura points gone.
Love is what you done to me. Watch me shut down what I feel inside.
Y'all, I be forgetting. No, I don't be forgetting, but whenever my music pops up on my Spotify in rotation, I'm just like, damn, I really had a music moment. Somebody literally told me, like, you have to discard of that mirror that you broke correctly, or you're gonna have bad luck for 7 years, which I literally picked up the pieces, just kind of like threw it away in a random dumpster. Is that why, like, is that why things like popped off for 7 years? The way my book is like meditate part 2 and 3. 7:30, and these kids want to get in the pool and swim, so we're gonna swim and then eat. As you can see, Anthony just cleaned the pool, so that's what he's been doing out here. But yeah, we've been using the pool a lot this summer, that's for sure. Bone apple tit. This is what the plate is looking like. It's giving healthy. It's giving you're getting all your calories in. And here comes Penny looking for something to sniff off the floor. My goodness. Okay guys, it is the next day. I love how these vlogs are supposed to be like day in the life, but they keep ending up being like half of a day and then another half of a day, but we're still getting a full vlog. These are the fireworks that we just picked up from the gas station. Anthony is setting up Luca's little Monster Jam area. But this is what we got for about $47. Air Calvary. Of course, I'll record some clips so you guys can see how everything is. Gold Stars Barrage. We got 2 of these little cool cat ones. And then we also got this one. Twitter glitter. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We gotta wait till it gets dark outside. It's, I think, like 4 something or 5 maybe. I think it's 5. So we got 3 hours to go until it's actually dark out. Me and Anthony went back to the same place that you guys just saw us at earlier in the vlog. We went back to Grouchy John's and I got the caramel mocha this time and he got the Grouchy John. So freaking good. Like, I wish we had 7 Brew here because that coffee actually hits so freaking hard, and the cups, like the actual sizes, were amazing. Like, they were huge.
Foam on the ground.
Okay, y'all, we are outside in the backyard as everybody is getting in the pool. I am gonna open everything because why not do it out here? So first, let's start with the little elf. I was not expecting all of this. Girl, I did not know that they had like lip markers. So they're like lip stains. Turn it one way to line your lips and then to like fill it in. A red, a pink, like a burgundy, more of a magenta, a nude pink. The ones that I'll probably use the most, a tan and like 2 different shades of brown. We got a Glow Reviver lip oil. I love these. These actually make your lip feel so nice. I guess this is like a new shade. This is a jam session. We got some Glow Reviver slip sticks. We got it in Love Slick and Rose Latte, 2 shades that I know I love. A Glow Reviver lip oil in pink quartz. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be using this shade a lot. This is so pretty. Then some more blush tints. I actually like these. These days, as you can see, I've been going a little bit more natural with the makeup. Today I just have some concealer and mascara on. So I actually really like these blush tints because you could just put a little bit on and it wakes the skin up. Ooh, they even gave me a list of like lip combos to try out. The lip markers are only $5 and the sheer for it blush tints are $6. Remember when everything from e.l.f. was like $1? With an 8. But their quality is definitely a lot better than when it was $1. Next up, Charlotte Tilbury. Try my best not to flash my address. We have a large jar of Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. I actually used this for the first time in December and I fell in love with it. This moisturizer is so good. And I'm somebody that has acne prone skin and this is something that I could put on and it doesn't break me out. Let's get into a big one. This one is from the Creme Shop. You guys, how fun is this? So this is the Blush and Pout. It's a lip balm. And now they come with like a little keychain. That's so cute. And this one is a Kiss and Blush. So I assume, let me see. This one is a Kiss and Blush in Cherry Squeeze. So you can put this on your cheeks or on your lips. I mean, why not? Let's try a little. Ooh, girl. Whoa! I was not expecting it to be that pigmented. There we go. Jelly brightening under eye patches. I have been maximizing my skincare. I just love to put random products on my face right now because for some reason the universe is allowing me to experiment and not break out. So I'm ready to throw these on. Shimmer Pop Clip-On Lip Gloss. This one's in Gravity Glow. That's pretty. Okay, now that is a shade I can get into. That's really pretty. And it smells nice. This one is in Nude Orbit, and this one is in Cosmic Dream. I love all of those shades. This one I'm excited about because I think they mentioned it being Hello Kitty themed. Ah, it's in a Hello Kitty box. Some stickers. Of course, Nyla's gonna claim those. Oh, this is cute. A travel lash curler. And then we got a regular lash curler. A slant tweezer. I actually needed some new tweezers. And then mini tweezers to get those little tiny hairs. Me and Anthony will be using these. Dude, my freaking camera overheated. So I had to come into the house. So let's go ahead and finish this off. We literally only have one package left. This is from Touchland. Okay. So I have a Touchland mist case and it's like a glitter themed one. So that's cute. I got confetti cake. Then I got a beach cocoa. Yum. And then the last one, vanilla blossom. So that's all the PR stuff that we got for this little PR opening. I'm gonna go put a swimsuit on. I'm gonna get in the pool. But I'm like, oh, I just washed my hair this morning. I feel like my hair always looks oily, but babe, I'm putting my hair growth oils in. Like today, I didn't put a ton of it in. So that's why my hair doesn't look so weighed down. But I'm usually saturating it. But it's working, y'all. Look how long my hair is now. Like, we have it curled. So we have a little shrinkage. But my hair's actually, it's getting down there. I'm happy. I read about something that was called your like terminal length because I always wondered, why does my hair just not like go down my back? Now, keep in mind, I'm aware of my part in it. I know that I definitely be fucking around. The last time I put any sort of like lightener in my hair, a little over a year ago. Not that long ago, and I've been trying to like grow and cut it all out. But it should pretty much all be gone, and this is all a new growth. Last 4th of July, we're gonna pop these firecrackers where the police at. Okay, let's go. Show you something. My hair. No, it's gonna go to Daryl's house. No, wait, it fell in the street. Go get it.
Good?
Go get it. It went in the street. Anthony went and got it. Daddy got it. Did you run?
Yeah, it's in the middle of the street.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Oh. Thanks for coming back to another vlog. Y'all cannot see anything. I will see you guys all in my next video in a couple days. See you later.